Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify Google Analytics using GA4 Measurement Protocol, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Shopify store and access to your Google Analytics account. Navigate to your Google Analytics dashboard. Make sure you're using Google Analytics 4, also known as GA4. In your GA4 property, find the Data Streams option in the left sidebar. Select your web data stream. Scroll down to the Measurement Protocol section. Take note of the Measurement Protocol API Secrets feature, you will need this later. Next, head over to your Shopify admin panel. In the Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then select Preferences. Locate the Google Analytics section. Clear any previous Google Analytics tracking ID or settings, ensuring they don't conflict with GA4. Visit the Google Analytics documentation online for the measurement protocol. Review the documentation carefully to understand how data can be sent. Create a new server-side endpoint using a web server like Node.js or any server-side technology you prefer. Set your endpoint to receive incoming data for events you want to track. Format the data according to the GA4 Measurement Protocol specifications. Make sure to include the measurement ID and the API secret you noted earlier. Test your server endpoint to ensure it's correctly set up and receiving data. Use tools like Postman or curl to simulate sending events to your endpoint. In your Shopify store, choose what events you want to track, like purchases or signups. Implement code on your Shopify store to send event data to your server endpoint. Ensure that the event data matches the parameters required by GA4. Set up GTM or Google Tag Manager if you prefer managing tags this way. Create a new tag within GTM to send data to your server endpoint. Configure the tag to fire on the specific events you want to track. Preview the tag to ensure it's firing correctly during tests. Back in Google Analytics, go to the Real-Time Reporting section. Check whether the events you've configured are shown in real time. Monitor the data being collected over the next few days for accuracy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.